The National Weather Service in Grand Junction has issued a flash flood warning for the Grizzly Creek fire burn area in western Eagle County in west central Colorado, east central Garfield County in west central Colorado, until 7:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 4:20 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over the Grizzly Creek fire burn area. The expected rainfall rate is 0.7 to 1 inch in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar will result in debris flow moving through the Glenwood Canyon area. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding in and around the Grizzly Creek fire burn area. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of areas in and around the Grizzly Creek fire burn area. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Glenwood Springs and Shoshone. This is a life-threatening situation. Heavy rainfall will cause extensive and severe flash flooding of creeks, streams, and ditches in the Grizzly Creek fire burn area. Severe debris flows can also be anticipated across roads. Roads and driveways may be washed away in places. If you encounter flood waters, climb to safety. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.